Where do you see oil prices headed over the next 12 months? I know you don't have a crystal ball, but you guys certainly have a better idea than we do.
Well, I would say if you look first at the demand side of the equation, demand is very strong around the world. So very good demand for transportation, fuels and products, crude, high demand for chemicals. The challenge has been supply, which has been putting pressure on pricing. OPEC continues to unwind some of its production. And so as you look going forward, depending on what happens with demand and depending on what happens, frankly, with who's all out in the market producing with respect to some of the national oil companies, we could see the market go longer in the back end of the year. Frankly, we're prepared for that. If you look at where prices are at today, they're higher than the basis that we had in our plans as we developed our go-forward investments. And so we're prepared for a lower environment. We expected a lower price environment, and there's potential that could manifest itself at the back half of the year.
If that happens, I guess you're saying that the dividend is safe, the share buybacks are safe. That's what investors are worried about. If you've got a strong balance sheet to make sure.
Yeah, we are. You know, we tested. We do the plan. We have an outlook on price. We recognize that we can't predict where prices are going to go. We always, as we develop our business and investment scenarios, test them against some extreme cases. We ran our plan through a scenario that, frankly, had pricing that was worse than COVID, and we had a very robust financial situation there. Obviously, we're always going to meet our dividend and could continue with our buyback program. So we feel very, very confident that today and for any reasonable forecast to where prices could go, that those distributions are very safe.